I'll be walking you through the steps to create a Game Pass in Please Donate. If you find this tutorial helpful, feel free to hit the like button and consider subscribing. As you can see here, I've already got several donation buttons set up. These are all created using Game Passes. To make your own, the first thing you'll need to do is close Roblox and head over to the Roblox website. Once you're there, go to the top of the page and click on Create. That'll bring you into the Creator Hub if your screen looks different. Just make sure you're on the right web address, create.roblox.com. Once you're there, you should be good to go. Now look over on the left-hand side and click on Creations. After that, go into My Experiences. You'll see a place here that has your username on it. Click on it. Next, scroll down the menu on the left side and open up the monetization section. You may need to expand it. Find and click on Passes. If this layout changes in the future, don't worry, just look for the Passes section. It should still be somewhere in that area. Now, inside Creations, hit Create a Pass. You'll be taken to a page where you can upload an image. That part's optional. Give your pass a name which will be visible to anyone donating. Write a description. Once that's filled in, click Create Pass at the bottom. Just note, it won't show up in Roblox yet because you still need to put it up for sale. To do that, click on your newly created pass, then head to the Sales tab on the left. Turn on the Item for Sale option and then set the price. This is the amount people will donate in Please Donate. Let's say you want a 100 Robux donation. Just enter 100. In this example, I'll go with 150. Keep in mind, you won't receive the full amount. For instance, I'll only get 105 Robux due to the creator earnings tax. After entering the price, hit Save Changes, and that's it. Your Game Pass is now active and will appear in Roblox. You can now go back to Please Donate, join a server, and I'll show you here. Let me claim this stand real quick. If I scroll across, you'll now see the 150 Robux Game Pass we just created is there and ready for donations. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to drop a like.